Hey Fitness 19, we've missed you guys so much. I hope you're ready to work out because we cannot wait to open and get our communities back in the gym.
Hi Fitness 19 family, we have missed you. See you soon.
Bienvenidos a su segunda casa.
We miss you guys.
What's up, Fitness 19? Can't wait to get back in the gym.
Hi Fitness 19 family, my name is Erica and I can't wait to dance with you again. I miss you all so much.
Who's ready to hit the weights?
Hi friends, live classes have been great, but I can't wait to see your beautiful faces in person. See you soon.
¿Extrañan el gimnasio? ¿Están listos?
We are pumped to get back in the gym with our fitness fam.
Hi Fitness 19, I'm so excited to go back to class and dance the stress away.
Everyone, we hope you are staying healthy and safe during these times. We cannot wait to open our doors again.